let's start off with, I'll just get a drum beat. We'll grab a bass, and it doesn't have to all be from the same thing. So if we're gonna do something funky, let's grab something from Backyard Jams. Backyard Jams is always funky. One thing I love, I do it a lot in my songs when I have a 4 on the floor beat, I'll make sure that the chords are pushing, but the kick's still on the 1. The reason I do that is there's just something about the way it swings it by not pushing the kick with it. It gives it a good vibe. Take notice of that whenever the chords push ahead of the 1. An example would be right here. Here's the 1 that the chord pushes. Now a lot of people would push the kick to here. It changes the groove. Listen to the difference. Beat's still on the 1, so you're going like this, but it makes you feel those in between beats. Groove for me is all about what happens in between the beats, and it's using the other instruments as though you're thinking about them percussively. How are they filling out the timing? What are they doing to the rhythm of things? Let's just go through some sounds, yeah? In the beginning, I was finding something very heavy to fill that place, but then I was thinking, you know, I may add guitars or something to this, so let's just find something that kind of gives it some vibe. Let's open up Exhale. I use Exhale a lot, even whenever they don't make the final mix, because it's nice sometimes just to have a vibe there. Let's do bass. C, E flat, F, G. I can remember that. Quick trick for getting anything to pop out in the mix on a machine: compressor, maximizer, limiter. Compressor to tame the signal, maximizer to bring it up, limiter to control the ceiling as though it's your volume knob. let's do, how about electric mint or electric vintage? I need someone in the chat to decide. Electric mint or electric vintage? Tell me what's up. Or I can show you all these. You all can choose. Here's all my electrics. Electric mint, electric vintage, electric sunburst, sunburst deluxe.